Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got this BeBird, and it is a smart. Uh, what does it say? It's going to be say smart visual ear cleaner. This is going to be interesting. We're going to be able to take a video of my ear, maybe. Let's see, how's my ear look? I don't know. We'll see. So let's check it out and see what's in the box here. So we open it up, and the box is empty. We got some instructions and a QR code, I guess, to install the app. So let me go to my camera. I'm going to do this on my iPad here. I'll move you guys this way so you can see what's going on. Let's aim at, where's the QR code? So it's going to bebird.cn to get the app. And I'm going to do, do you want to download? No. We're going to get the iOS app. Get. And, okay, so doing the Face ID business on it now. So now it's downloading. Okay. So let's see, we have to connect to the Wi-Fi on it. So let's see, so this is what so it comes with all these little tools, I guess, for picking things out. I'll go through each of these tools here in a second. And then here's the device. Whew, it's so scary. And then I guess these are more tips for it. So, okay, so let's see what we got here. So we have the little device, and I guess it's gonna be wireless little thing with the little camera on the end and the little scraper dealy here. And then in here we have a bunch of 6 other tips. You can, oops, did I drop any of them? I don't know. The camera's not facing the right way. So there, you can see them there. That's what all the tips look like. So it looks like there's some different color ones. There's some black ones that are like rounded. It's just like a rounded tip. And then there's the scooping ones. The blue one, that's blue, is scooping, is a super scoop. And then the other one is like a little mini scoop. Boy, it's hard to focus. But that's it. So I guess I could get 2 of each of those. And then the one that was on it, which looks like it's one of the blue ones too. So I'm going to stick these things back into this little tube. So it comes with this little tube for it. Because otherwise everything's going to get lost. Okay, so there's that. And then in this, we have some more tools. So let's see what we got in here. Does it have an instruction? Oh yeah, it tells us what each of the things are. So we have a cleaner thing for it. We have a cotton swab ear tip somewhere in here. Times 3. Maybe that's what these things were. PC ear tip, charging cable, soft cotton swabs. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you what all these little metal tools are. So we have this one here, which I guess is going to, it's got like a little springy thing on it. I guess it'll grab onto big chunks. This one here is a different kind of little chunky thing. Here's a little mini spoon. It's like a little drug spoon or something. And this one here is like a little plastic one. This one seems a little safer than the other stuff. A little plastic spoon. This one here, it's got a cover on it, so I'm gonna guess it's something sharp under there. I can't even take it off. There we go. Oh man, that's like a needle. Holy cow, that's not going in my ear. Oh man, mackerel. Okay. And then we have 2 more little spoon thingies, I guess just slightly different sizes. There. And then we have the device here. So let's see how this works. So let's open it up. Oh, and we got a charging cable. It looks like it's USB-C to USB. So, okay. Okay, so we are going to, boy, I don't want notifications. Okay, and then for your experience, welcome, whatever, we're going to agree to thing, connect to the Wi-Fi of BeBird something or other. Oh, I probably have to turn it on. How do you think you turn it on? You think you hold it? Oh, yeah, hold it and the little light goes on. So now we just need to wait for it to go on. So it's flashing. And now I have a BeBird network. Okay, so now I'm on the BeBird network. Okay, it says the battery's at 100%. Okay, please turn the scoop ear clockwise to check whether it is tightened. Oh, it is tightened. Next step, please check whether the ear scoop head is damaged or broken. If yes, replace it. It is not. It's brand new. Do not use too much force during ear picking to avoid damaging the ear canal. Oh my gosh, this is going to be scary. Okay. Oh, and then there we go. So now we are looking at the camera. So the camera is right now, it's facing there. And now we are facing my eyeball. Holy mackerel. And then now we are going to look in my ear. Oh, wow, look at that. Can you guys see that? That's my ear. Holy cow. So my ear looks like that. It's hairy as can be. Holy crap. Okay, well, there's my hairy ear. Okay, I'm not going to scrape anything because I'm terrified. And I'm sitting here holding this and this. I probably have to like just put this somewhere and then I can look at it and try it. I'll try it. What the heck? Let's see. I'm going to put it right here so I can watch what's going on and you guys can watch me see what I'm doing. I guess my ear, I don't see any stuff in it. Oh, here's something. Nah, my ear's clean. So my ear's clean. I guess I clean it in the shower and stuff. I took a shower. My ear was clean. I don't need to clean it. There's no gook in there. There's hair, but there's no wax or anything. No, I'm safe. So, okay, I'm good. So I don't need to clean my ears. But that's how this thing works. It's ridiculously cool, though. I mean, check it out. I mean, how else can you see inside your ear? Look at that. I see all the little hairs in my ear. My ears don't look that hairy, do they? I think it's just zooming in super close. So whatever. So this thing is wild. Okay, so this is the BeBird. So if you guys ever want to see inside your ear, if you have waxy ears or something like that, I mean, probably more so than me if you would need to. But if you have that issue of waxy ears, just pick up one of these things, man, because you can see it great. Holy cow, it's pretty sweet. And it's just there. I'm just watching. I can just see, I can look at my hairs on my leg. It's super zoomed. Look at the hairs on my leg. My hairs don't look like that. It just zooms in super much. That's why I see all those hairs in my ear, just because it's zooming in so much. So very cool. So that's it. So I like it. This thing's awesome. Thumbs up for me. Links in the description to pick one of these up for yourself. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.